We did. Yeah, we're on the other side of the. I don't know.
It's not us. They came from, we followed them, out of the trailer park. They came from that hotel. Was it Comfort Inn?
I
Or
don't
not
know.
Comfort
It's
Inn?
just down the street. I don't
It was
know.
one of the hotels they came from.
And that's right down below us. It's crazy out there.
Spotted it in the area.
So, back where I said the sirens were going off, I was on the phone with my mom.
Shelby's not even on the phone.
Even if the tornado is nearby Shelby County, the sirens will go off anyways. So if it's close by, right next door, like say in Pickle. Okay. Alright. Alright.
Yeah, we heard that time go off. We are out the door.
So we are at the. Like I said, I just got off the phone with my mom. So we're watching the weather right now. Actually, I just want to step outside for a minute. I'm not leaving the front door. I'll be back in. If I see anything, I'll let you know. No, she's fine. She'll be all right. They said there was one nearby Shelby County. As you can hear, the sirens are going off. No, I guess there's one nearby as though heading this way, so I'm not sure. Yeah. No, I didn't catch it. Because we was talking to the guys up the front desk, so. Okay, the sirens just ended, so I am going to. And the sirens just shut off again, so I don't know what's going on. Yeah. So we're going to sit here for a while.
But with it being in the agreement, you said it's in Fort Lauderdale.
Yeah, it's nearby.
So we'll wait until.
We are. I'm not gonna stop this video until we get home.
It's in Fort Lauderdale, 15 minutes.
Who are you talking to? Minster. Alright. We're watching the weather right now, and Minster. I don't know. Grace. Alright, baby. The dog's finishing up. You're alright. You're alright, baby. You're alright. The dog's flipping out. She's scared. The sirens went off twice. Sorry about cutting the first video. My mom called, so I had to take it. It's almost 8:30, so.
I was just up there a couple of days ago working on a story. They said right now it's just that they can tell something's on its way, but they're not hearing any real thunder yet. They're seeing lightning in the distance. No hail, at least in this part of the area. And according to the tracking you just made, it looks like it'll be there soon.
All right, baby. So, like I said, I'm not going to quit this video until we make it home. Hey, she can get you down, baby. She's alright. We're trying to, hopefully ride this out. We're supposed to.
Hopefully it goes above and not down. Hopefully it goes up.
We have. We live in a trailer, so it's always my days off, or it's always on my birthday. I'm not trying to be funny about that, but it's always on my birthday. Somebody pet her, keep her quiet, so we don't get kicked out of here. Mom said it's moving fast, so it shouldn't even be.
The van that pulled out of Taco Bell, like same shape, same one.
There's two vans that run around here like that. Hers, and there's another one I seen it too. An old guy or an old woman driving it. So we are, like I said, we're stuck in a hotel. This is not very good. I know I keep repeating myself. I don't know what else to say except we are sheltered. So. So by 9 o'clock we could go home. Hopefully.
One non-follower look at it.
We're in a red. Mom called me. She goes, you guys are in a red. I said, I know that. I said, we're at the hotel taking shelter. So I'm. So it's moving pretty quick. I don't know, but it's target right towards Sydney, so I mean. There it is again. It's going off.
It's raining, but it's raining.
It's going off.
She's in our house. It's raining, but she's in our house.
No,
I hear the sirens are going off one more time. I can hear it outside the building all here.
Just come from the water.
We are not. You might be able to hear that over the TV and me. The guy said we are the only ones that's allowed in here. Anybody else comes in, they gotta leave. So I don't know what's going on. So I don't know.
They have you guys like park underneath on the, they'll probably have you park out. They don't like them underneath on.
Oh, tornadoes?
Yeah, and you gotta ask them for permission to be in.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Okay, I don't.
It's not too far away from us.
How big is it?
They said it's in like Fort Lauderdale coming this way, so I don't know what's actually going on.
Oh, yeah, Fort Lauderdale's about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Is this your place that you just hang out? Mobile park down the road?
I think it is.
And we just come in, or do we need to run a room? Does anybody know?
I have no idea.
But I would say yes.
I'm gonna actually step back outside for a minute.
That's where we're at, the mobile home park. Yeah.
Very safe to tell.
So I'm gonna actually step outside and see if I see anything. I'm curious of what's going on. This is crazy. The only thing I say, please God, please don't let it hit us. It's scary, so. Which one is this?
I will stress that right now, there is not an active tornado threat with that part of the thunderstorm. You can see it looks a little bit weaker on radar here. We're not seeing those deeper dark purples. Really not seeing any clear-cut signs of even any strong
I don't
potential
know.
with that
So it's getting
right
weaker,
now.
so I
If I
don't
back
know.
it up just a little bit, there's just not a super convincing look to me that we are seeing any concerns for severe weather. But again, if you've been watching us here for the last 20 minutes,
It's gonna blur over the top of it, looks like. So, yeah, she's fine. I got her. She's good. She's fine. You're alright, baby. You're alright, baby. I'm just waiting.
Talking a lot of people on CSL basketball, they want to make sure that people are safe, but they also would like to watch the game. We have moved the game over to TV.
And I just got a message on Facebook, so I don't know what's going on.
Or you can just push 7 down to
Coming our way. Right now, right on the line.
But they said it might not be a. They said it's not. It's just the storm itself. They said didn't say nothing about no tornadoes. I just seen that like that. That's what happens when you're not paying attention. I'm not trying to be mean about that. I'd be watching TV if I was you.
My friend asked if there's any tornadoes that been in the Navy Force. I don't know.
I don't know. Who is it? So it's going they're talking about cyclone or rotation now. I think we do got a tornado warning now. I'm not afraid, but I'm just worried about everybody else at the county. It's living in the trailer park back here. I don't. So I don't know.
This is moving more into Shelby County. There's that latest scan flying out through 7 radar. You can certainly still see some purples here. It's an indication that large hail.
This person said tornado confirmed touchdown northwest of Shelby.
Okay, well, it's closer than what we thought, so we're all gonna be okay. So this is. We're good.
Might have to ask him.
What?
You want, huh?
Channel 7's in Sydney. We don't know yet what's going on.
See if we're seeing anything in particular that might be of interest there. We have a new tornado warning that is not going to be for our area at this time. It is just outside our area, which is some good news there. And that's giving us an indication that we're looking at storms that
They said there's no tornado warning for our area. So whatever. I don't know. I mean, I'm not saying it's not, but.
a few minutes early for parts of Mercer, Shelby, and Longlease counties. This was set to expire in about 5 minutes, but the Weather Service
It can be expiring here in 5 minutes. The tornado warning for us.
let it expire at 8:45, so it'll still be in effect until 8:45. But at this point, they're not going to renew.
I just lowered my setting.
I guess we're not gonna.
Lower your white again.
Mercer, Longlease, Dark,
I guess we're not gonna be going home.
Get off that.
Well, no.
We need a phone.
camera here in just a second.
What's wrong with you guys?
Noticing here, and as I'm doing that, I'll go and switch over to Greenville since we still have that particular triple box there, if you will. So we get that camera positioned correctly.
Twenty difference in charges.
On your screen, we can kind of look at 2 different storms at one time, which is a very awesome feature that we have the ability to do here.
What was that?
And we are seeing some good lightning, so you'll see that camera switch over to Greenville in a matter of just a couple of seconds. We can give you a good storm track on this moving toward Greenville. No signs, at least immediately, of a tornado in progress. It has tried to give us those indications that maybe a tornado is going to happen.
It's out around.
It has not done so. So there's your updated time of arrival for the southern part of Darke County. You can see Hollinsburg, El Dorado,
It's going
West
down.
Manchester.
Yeah, it's going downwards in front.
Gabby?
Our cleanup.
On the air for about 3 minutes now. Could you kind of reset everything? Because you went on the air about 8:10 with this tornado warning. Can you explain where we're at and where this is headed now?
Yeah, ours is only forward.
Yeah, ours is almost there. We're talking about going home.
Yeah, but we got one behind it. That's in Marion. Sorry.
That's too scattered. It's scattered. Look at it. It's not a still. It's just that patches it.
That warning may have been issued, but if you're near Indian Lake and points just to the north and east, that warning continues until 9 p.m. I would expect that to be
Indian
canceled
Lake's
early.
gonna get
The
hit,
storm
man.
had a tornado warning on it. It's just about to exit the Polygon, moving there toward Anna and Sydney. Just because there's not a tornado right here, folks, keep in mind, we're still under that tornado watch until 11 p.m. this evening, so I would still treat this as a tornado warning. You can also
So
see
we got all that, and then we got what behind it?
away from the radar here.
I don't know.
Maybe attempting to recycle. Once again, we mentioned this a couple of times. It has just not been able to fully complete that recycling process.
We go back. Not first one, but the second door in the bathroom. That's where we go. If we have to.
Down there toward Anna and Sydney in short order. Kind of broadening things out a little bit and taking you further off to the south. Those of you downwind here, Pigwood,
She was in it too.
I mentioned that the cell looks a little more wind-driven, sludge.
See, we're on the edge. We're not.
I was hoping I could try one more radar site. There we go. So there's just more reds in here. Right? We're not seeing any greens in this area. That's a piece of good news, and hopefully that trend continues. But again, that's for the northern part of that cell coming through Ansonia right now, moving toward Versailles, and then down towards Sydney, Lockington, and Pickle. So that's an updated storm track there. And then again, we're still also watching this particular cell to the southwest of Greenville. This one again is by itself. But the good news to this point, I mean by itself, there's not anything else around it. That is heading toward Arcanum and then eventually toward Vandalia and Troy. That's a very early heads up again as we get a little bit closer into the center part of the Miami Valley. Kind of what we're
Troy
watching
and
there
Pickle is
at
good
this
for that.
particular point in time. So we're about 2.5 minutes away from this tornado warning expiring at this point. You're looking at Willie Patterson's view.
It's going to be expiring for us, I guess. I don't know.
Lightning, and then we're also starting to see some rain in Greenville. We're also seeing some lightning on our weather camera there, Gabby.
Really just recapping what we have, the only thing
I gotta work tomorrow, maybe.
274, possibly a vehicle that may have been trapped in some wires, 274 and 716. That's in Mercer County. You've had the reports of the golf ball size hail, and we're also hearing dime size hail.
I know I should have got rid of my golf clubs. I couldn't remember have to whack them. The golf. We're not actually out of it yet, but we.
Yeah, so it's a good point, James. Here's a quick, real quick, Gabby also asked for folks that, kind of looking down the wind, what's kind of giving a quick reset for you. So
I'm not.
these initial storms may be on a little bit of a weakening phase.
When you watch the news and stuff, you know.
Back to the north of Minneapolis. And you see some of these even have those yellow flashes.
I'm not watching this here.
Severe thunderstorm warnings. And we have a watch until at least 11 p.m. And as you
Do we have to make another video again?
that is I-75 in Michigan Street. That is going to be just north of Sydney. We're seeing lots of lightning and certainly some low and rapid looking clouds. But of course, it is nighttime. It's very tough to get a clear image as to what is happening. You can also see the camera shaking as it is
I'm almost like. Gracie, you're fine.
Are you okay?
Oh yeah, windy out there all of a sudden.
Yeah.
Siren started up again.
Did it?
It sounds like it.
Oh no, my husband's in the van. Or no, not with the
Okay, I thought they did. That's why I went out to check. What's that? We're
Rich in
we're getting rain and heavy wind, so I don't.
And the wind picking up though.
At this particular point in time, we're just kind of taking a look and making sure that there's any warnings. We are in good shape there. In the Sydney area, warned for up to golf ball size hail. And again, folks, we are really struggling to get a great look at the radar tonight because we don't have any data from Wilmington. So I'm going to make the assumption there's still potential for golf ball size hail to be falling.
Ball size hail.
There in Shelby County. Moving there to the southwestern portions of Logan County, south of Russell's Point, and away from the Indian Lake area, but there toward DeGraff shortly. Watching potential for maybe
I hope our van doesn't get too beat up out here. Talking about
Oh my god.
golf ball size hail.
Cheyenne heard you. The Mark laugh. Ha 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 ha. Sorry, trying to share everyone up. I would have done it louder, but we are at
This particular point in time, you see the lightning count here, over 3,000 just in the last 20 minutes. That's a good indication.
Shut that door. That's an air tunnel.
Electric type of thunderstorms out there tonight, something that's another hazard.
You hear that? The wind's whistling. It's having a good time.
As those storms approach, James or Gavin, you guys have anything?
Nothing.
Just to let
will be some sort of vehicle involved there. So he is in the Kettlersville area in that part of the county. He is headed west, and again, just a little bit further west of New Braunfels.
Well, we may actually get hit.
All right, I appreciate that. So real quick, we'll give you an update
So,
on the track for those of you downwind of this
I'm ready for the ride.
broken cluster of super
Stop looking at me like
structures.
that.
This is kind of your early heads up. We'll adjust this time of arrival, then we'll send you back over to basketball. Unless I'm told
You guys have faith in God. This be the time that actually start having it.
with the time of arrival there of 8:57. If anything else, radar.
You're the one that has the most starts
Times of arrival a little bit more clearly. You can see again downwind. You can see Tip City 9 o'clock, Eaglewood 9:02, Vandalia 9:04, Trotwood 9:06, into the Brookwood area there at about 9:06 as well. Again, these storms do not currently have tornado warnings on them, but again, understand that we are in that tornado watch. We'll go ahead and put that graphic.
We're still in a tornado watch. I went out. I thought I heard the sirens going off. Almost got yanked out the door by the wind. It's strong enough to play Mary Poppins.
For whatever reason, especially a tornado warning, Nick will come back on and talk about that. But again, BTV is where that basketball game is currently. We'll bring it back over on this
Winchester is in yellow.
warnings. We're going to go to BTV and those couple checks for folks who are not familiar.
Yes, they are. 23 for 72 for Spectrum, 77 for DirecTV,
It's probably drunk
47
anyways.
for Dish.
And then, of course, 7
Gosh darn it.
if you're on antenna, that is an opportunity for you to watch that as well. But again, we apologize for breaking into basketball. And as you understand, this is very important. If it was in your community, you would hope we would do the same thing. Folks, please be safe, and we'll get you now back to basketball.
Got my promo shell on until 11 o'clock. Can't stay here till 11 o'clock. I gotta work in the morning. We got 2 hours yet. Actually, I might be able to go and get some sleep. I don't know.
We gotta stay here for 2 hours.
Till we're out of the tornado watch. Then we'll end till 11. I might be able to go and get some sleep before I get. Tell him to go up and stand in front of him. Tell him to stop it. Wrestle it. We're watching. Oh man, that's my can of pop on the table. Come Because if it spills, that's pop abuse. I can't have that. I can't be charged with the pop abuse. I said pop, not pop. If it doesn't spill, then that's a good thing. I'm not staying here till 11 o'clock.
I thought we had to stay here till 9 something.
I don't know what's going on. Oh, severe thunderstorm watch. Event effect 1 Wayne, Indiana, Herbal, Ohio until 9 o'clock.
That important because they tell me about basketball game at home.
Shelby until 9:15. Okay. We're going home at 9:15. I'm not staying here all night. If I had the money, I could get a room and crash. I wouldn't even look I gotta go back.
You don't have to. It's too late. We only stay in school. You just don't have to pick it up.
Yep. Does that go for me too? I don't have to go to work tomorrow? My God, man. Can't catch a break. I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll be alright.
That'd be her first grade, I think it's or 11.
All this stuff, man. Why couldn't this happen on my vacation? I mean, I could have been up all night. I could have sat outside and watched it. It's alright. It's good. It's all good, man. Perfect. It's 9:15. We're going home. Move my head down. Silence. Maybe tomorrow. So I'm sitting there. It's 9:15. And get out of here, head back home. And it comes up right all right home. It's gonna be a long video. I don't know. Maybe I'll do a little bit before I go to bed tonight. I'm gonna go to bed about 10:30, so I might be able to drag this out a little bit longer. So we were beside me. We jumped on the chairs and off the couch, and we got ready to head out the door. I looked across the apartment car. She knocked me there, but wearing the scarf. Whoa. We need to get a tornado shelter. And I tried to help.
Sports Center 7 meteorologist Nate Dunn here with you. Time is just before 8:56. I apologize for cutting into basketball. We have a new severe thunderstorm warning. I want to give you an update on this. State got the live down for 7 radar. This is going to be for a large portion of the Miami Valley right now. You can notice if you're living here in Sydney, Pickwood, Vandalia, Enid, Springfield, Urbana, Mechanicsburg, Belfountain, West Liberty, St. Paris, anywhere near those communities, we have a severe thunderstorm warning. This is going to go until 9:45 p.m. this evening, giving you an update on what those particular thunderstorms may be carrying. They look to be carrying the potential for quarter-sized hail and winds to 60 miles per hour. And you notice that, again, I'll stress this, we don't have a
quarter-sized hail. I think I'll catch some of it and spin different ways. Quarter-sized hail.
Are we going home or are we staying here?
It looks like
Quarter-sized hail. One of those was just to the northeast of Sydney that certainly has taken on a bit of a stronger look of some damaging wind.
Is it coming back or is it going out?
It's coming down. It's going away from us. It's not coming back around. We're catching all the stuff behind it. So, I mean, it's...
Your particular community may not take a direct hit from any of these thunderstorms, but just have a rough time of arrival for you. And let me
Hallelujah, thank you, God.
see a little bit further down the wind.
Before all this stuff got here, I said a prayer.
Is it okay for us to go home?
Wait till about 9:15, then we can head home. But I said a prayer before all this stuff rolled in, and so far, I thank God, I praise God, hallelujah, that we haven't got hit. destroyed on by a tornado, and you know, I hope we don't ever. I hope we don't ever get hit directly by a tornado. It's possible. I can't do nothing about it. But the only thing I can do is pray and make sure I do pray. Said a couple things today I should never said. I keep apologizing to God like I said, getting 5 times. I can't talk loud because I'm over in the hotel lobby, so I'm gonna wake people up in their rooms next to me. Down the hallway, I'm just staying calm right now. But no, like I was saying in my first video, we sitting at home and my wife was talking about lighting candles and turning the lights off. And I said, what are we doing watching horror movies? About the time I got the horror out, our lights went off and came back on. I'm like, oops. I'm just joking. I shouldn't have been joking like that, but it happened and it kind of scared me a little bit. I wasn't ready for it. With weather, nobody's prepared for it until it gets here. Actually, I gotta use the restroom. I'm gonna take you to the bathroom with me. I'm gonna show you what maybe here. This is where we would go. Right in here. We're in here. Oops, the lights burned out. So, I'm not even gonna use it. I want to go to that mat, so. But no, this is where we would go if tornado over here. And this burn right here. So, but this is, I don't know, I'm gonna go outside here and see what's going on. It looks like it's just raining right now. And you can see it up in the lights. There's trying to judge if I do hear tornado sirens. All these vehicles going by, as you hear, I can't hear nothing out of it. So I'm gonna wait till about 9:15. Sorry, got a close up on my mouth. 9:15, we're gonna go home. And we're just we're gonna actually ride it out there. I'd like to get home sometime tonight, but a couple more days of work. Sunday morning I'm going to church, so we're going to church, so trying to pay attention to the TV and listen to them. Crazy. She's scared. Like I said, when we first got in here, she was shaking. She's a little bit scared. But we got looking on my arm, she's calm as a cucumber. I mean, she's cool as a cucumber. So she loves her daddy. So I need to get her a haircut. I'm not getting like a little rough on the edges. But yeah, she's alright. She's alright. I'm a little scared. Her back is just shaking. I just looked at her when we first got here. And then she's alright. Right now she's doing everything. Down here. a big girl. She's my baby.
Give me keys.
Stuck in my pocket.
Where's my stuffy at?
I tossed it back in the house since I had mine. Mason, come back here, baby. Come back here. Stop that. Stop playing with it like that. You'll break it.
Oh, one of these buttons, when I hit it, it blinked my, currency on blink, but it didn't do nothing.
Probably moving the side doors off that thing.
No.
It doesn't. It doesn't on most fans. Don't lie to me. I mean, don't. I know they do.
This button we think it might be an automatic starter, like it starts moving a little bit.
But don't.
But it's not, it didn't do it.
But don't try
But
nothing.
this one right here, this is the panic button.
That's fine. Whatever.
Might have to get a new one.
Looking to pay about. I don't know, probably about probably about $90 to $100 right there.
I think he said you could
Gracie.
get an 8 hardware.
Scott. She's starting to whine a little bit. She's ready to go home too. Huh? This time I actually didn't flip my lid like I normally would. I heard everything go off and we're like bouncing. So
Steven's been watching the weather report. He follows some guy, but he said, I told him that we'd be going home shortly. And he said, thank God the storm has weakened a little.
yeah.
They should be passing you guys soon.
You know what? We may actually go home now.
You really go home?
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna head on out. It's raining, but I mean, it's not raining enough. If the tornado sirens would start up again, we're gonna be right back down in there.
It's not pouring, is it?
Yeah, a little bit.
My hearing aids.
Stick the blanket over your head.
Oh, no.
Okay, guys, I'm out.